6 in the morning on a Saturday, and we'll go to work today. Rainy Saturday, because I have something called duty. I guess if you're in the Navy and you're on a ship, you have duty. You have to stay on the ship, which I'm okay with. Can I get small, well actually medium iced coffee, please?
What type of flavor? You want it plain?
What kind of flavor do you guys have?
Caramel, hazelnut, fresh vanilla, or plain?
Caramel, please.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a good day. Oh shit. Straw drop. It's 6:34 right now. I'm just going to the ship. Currently inside the ship right now. I have to go change for duty section muster though. So we're in my locker now, and I'm about to change into a lovely Navy uniform. This is my work center. This is where all the production goes down, or went down, whenever we're on deployment. But nobody's in here right now. Usually it's pretty busy. But it's a Saturday, so that's why I'm on duty. We serve food. Walking over here where we get our drinks. This is where we usually eat, but it's empty right now, so